Hey, gadget lovers! Here are some of the coolest tech wonders you can find online. You will be amazed by the innovative gadgets in this video. Let's step into the mysterious world and begin. The Zapata AirScooter is a single-seat, personal vertical takeoff and landing flying machine. It was developed by the French company Zapata Racing and unveiled in 2023. The AirScooter is powered by a hybrid electric propulsion system that combines a gasoline engine with electric motors. The Zapata AirScooter is a revolutionary new type of personal transportation that has the potential to change the way we get around. It is easy to fly, safe, and relatively affordable. It is also very versatile and can be used for a variety of purposes, such as commuting, recreation, and business transportation. DAF Energy's Timberline solar roof shingles are a low-profile, integrated solar roofing system that can generate electricity for your home. This could help to reduce your energy bills and make your home more sustainable. Maicat is an AI-powered robotic cat companion developed by Macroact Inc., a South Korean company. It is designed to provide companionship, assistance, and smart home monitoring capabilities. Maicat is equipped with a variety of sensors and actuators, including a camera, microphone, speaker, old eyes, and motorized joint. This allows it to interact with its environment and users in a variety of ways. For example, Maicat can recognize people and express emotions through its old eyes and speaker. Use AI recognition to sense people's actions, moods, and behaviors via its camera and microphone. Detect falls, sleeping, or unusual situations, and alert you or a designated emergency contact. Navigate your home autonomously and avoid obstacles. Set reminders and alarms. Control smart home devices. Project Hazel is a smart face mask that features built-in air purification, active noise cancellation, and LED lights to improve visibility in low-light conditions. Mi Air Charge technology is a new remote wireless charging technology. It uses millimeter wave beams to transmit power to devices over the air, without the need for any cables or charging stands. No need for cables or charging stands. Can charge multiple devices at the same time. Not affected by physical obstacles. Safe and efficient. The Vicarious surgical robotic system is a new type of surgical robot that can perform complex procedures through a single, tiny incision. This could reduce the risk of infection and pain and speed up recovery time for patients. The Segway 9Bot S Smart Self-Balancing Electric Scooter is a lightweight, portable, and easy-to-ride scooter that is perfect for short-distance travel and commuting. It features a dual motor system that provides a top speed of 10 meters per hour and a maximum range of 13.7 miles. The 9Bot S is also equipped with a variety of safety features, including LED lights, a smart battery management system, and a self-balancing system. Lightfield Labs' Solid Light Display is a holographic display that can project images into the air. This could revolutionize the way we interact with technology and entertainment.